How's it going? I'm Joe, and this is the Office Essentials Ellingwood from Rockport. Now this shoe is made with this premium waterproof leather. It has a really nice sheen to it. It's going to keep your feet really nice and dry. Get that cap toe detailing up front, as well as some added cushioning around the collar. Speaking of cushioning, the footbed's going to be removable. It's going to give you really nice cushioning, and it's got that kinetic air circulator where you step down on the heel area, and it's going to push air through these little channels all through the insole right there to keep your feet cool. Now the outsole is going to be incredibly flexible. You got a really durable texture there, and it's nice and shock absorbing. It is essential to look good and to feel good in the office. What better way than a new pair of Rockports?